Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I shall show you how to generate a flowchart for any process using Mermaid code and then visualize it in a draw.io. This is an easy and fast way to create professional diagram for your projects or presentations. Before we get started, let's understand what is Mermaid code. Mermaid code is actually text-based syntax used to create diagrams, charts, and visualizations. It is particularly popular for use in documentation, wikis, and markdown files, as it allows developers to define flowcharts, sequence diagrams, and many other diagrams using simple plain text code. So let's get started. I go to the ChatGPT and ask to generate Mermaid code for our flowchart. For example, I ask generate a flowchart in Mermaid code for an e-commerce order fulfillment process starting from order placement to order delivery. As you can see, the Mermaid code defines the flowchart step using a simple syntax. I copy this Mermaid code, go to draw.io, decide later, go to file, click on new. I take a blank file and keep a name e-commerce flowchart and create. In the toolbar, click on plus button, go to advanced and select Mermaid. Just paste your Mermaid code here, click on insert, and that's it. Our flowchart for e-commerce order fulfillment process starting from order placement to order delivery has been generated. Now this flowchart has been generated. You can customize this diagram. For example, you can change color of boxes for better readability or adjust the layout spacing between elements. You can change style. For example, go in style and change the style of your diagram. Okay, once you are done with your changes, just go to file, click on export as an PNG and export, click on save, and that's it. You have your flowchart. Now we can use it in our presentation or documentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.